this section is just about cleaning my controller. What does this mean? Let's have a look. Having a fat controller is bad. See, what is this? It's true. We still do not have anything real to obtain data, to send the data, or to fetch the data from any database. Yeah, it's correct. So far, so good. But as you can see, slowly, things are going to be real. So later on, I'm going to add something like an ORM to deal with data and such things. So the approach is having a clean controller at first. What should I do? Since there is no ORM, there is no access to any database, even there is no database, I want to just make a very small cleanup. How? I'm going to add a new folder and call it data or data layer, something like that. And then I will add a simple car repo. Please pay attention. I'm not going to call it repository or something like that. These things should be explained later. I'm just cut this, paste it here. It can be static also. See, I have chosen a very short name to say that it's not final. It's something to just use for time being. So I didn't say car repository. Repository means something permanent. This is something just for now. Okay. So there is no list of cars here anymore. When I want to have something like a get all, I should say car repo dot, and then it's still bad because accessing cars is not possible. But I'm not going to make it public. I will create a public method and say get all cars like this. Return cars. This one is public. So now I can say like this. Very easy. For this one also I can do the same like this. So now I have something kind of separation of concerns. Later on I will activate some of these action methods to have a real endpoint for any CRUD activity that we need. So as you can see, for each activity I would have a static method for time being. So in the next section I will try to have all the endpoints that we need, and later on we're gonna have ORM, database access, and whatever we need to continue this course. Thank you so much.